are you doing there?
I'm just crying.
Why? Hmm. Because Papa did not answer your call. Because Papa is working. Papa is working nga. He is working right now. You wait for Papa later. When Papa got home, you ask Papa na. Not now. Later. Wala pa. Stop crying na. Come here. Pinipilit niya kasi akong gawin ko daw jeep yung ito, gawin ko daw jeep. Paano ko magagawang jeep yan?